G'day everyone, it's Jeremy from Trading Safely. Just doing a weekly update on the euro. We closed this week on a neutral with a neutral bias. So in between our first up bullish pivot there at 115.365 and the bearish pivot at 114.130. Interestingly enough, last week we closed up above the top, the third standard deviation up the bullish levels. That often leads to acceleration in that direction. So for now, there's still a bullish bias. If we just look at some of the other charts to see what's going on, during the week we held last week's midpoint. We bounced off there nicely. Don't forget, however, the broader trend for the euro is still down, and only a close over this 117 zone up here. 117 would lead to a big breakout up to the 129 area. So for now, weakness will follow with a close back under this 1.13 area, which is a monthly last month's midpoint. And if we look at the nature of the trend itself, so we come down here, we've got our uptrends across time in this study, so 60-minute, 120, 240, 480 and daily, and then downtrends across time. So if I just highlight the current candle, you can see that if I look to the cursor box, we've got a daily up count of 1. So, and in the downtrends, there's a 60-minute up count of 1. So clearly the uptrend is still on at the daily time frame, and that it's holding at the moment. So the bias is still up. In the short term, weakness will follow with a weekly close back under this 113 area, as we mentioned. And to the upside, we just really need to close the weekly close above this high here at 11493 to push the euro up to some of the other resistances that start in this sort of 116 area. 116 to 117 is a fairly critical zone with this yearly level at 118.7, and then after that there's just a whopping great gap up to this 120, 127, 129 zone. So I hope that helps, and we'll update you through the week.